dehydrated. So we're just happy that he's okay right now, but we'll try to check him in the hospital after this game. And Ryan still, I'm just happy that Ryan came back and played, even though medyo labas-pasok, but I'm happy that he's back, and hopefully he can continue to support us. It's not, at least we broke the jinx of being swept every quarterfinals. At least we won the first game. But at least I will tell the guys that it's not yet over. You know that Rain or Shine is a very capable team coming back, even though Norwood is out for sure, and even Mardu is out also. So, pero titingnan ko yung tape mamaya kung talagang intentional foul yung kay Mardu. But I do believe Mardu didn't intend to do that. So I'll try to appeal to that. But tawag ng referees eh. And hopefully next game makontrol ng referees yung tawagan para medyo maganda naman yung game. Medyo sumama lang takbo eh. But all in all, the guys really did well tonight, and I do give them this game.
Coach, you think na every time merong incident na gano'n, lalong naging parang kayo napapahirap?
Well, siguro,
di ba? Tapos kanina, ayun.
Siguro yung intensity saka energy ng mga players ko, ayaw lang talaga magpatalo. Even though nung na-thrown out si Marlo, we're just one man down eh. Alam niyo naman na Marlo and Dennis is a crucial, vital cog in the post for us. So, without Marlo, I challenge the other guys, especially Norman and Dennis to step up their game. And at least, nakantay namin ng konti. Nung nawala naman si Norwood, medyo gumanda palalo yung intensity ni Joseph. And we really wanted to prove that he's really one of the best players in the PBA, and he did that tonight. Okay, thank you very much, Coach.